What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about Chainlink again and seeing that it's breaking its all-time high once again. We're going to take a look at where I think it's going to go and also how the chart of the last bull run is playing out exactly like the one that's going on now. If that sounds good to you, press that subscribe button down below and let's jump right on into the video. As we jump right on into the longer time frame chart for Chainlink, as you can see, this symmetrical triangle played out exactly perfectly for the price here. Now I did cut off this bottom part that we're not going to talk about of this part of the year for 2020 for obvious reasons, but this chart played exactly perfectly with the resistance 1, 2, 3, 4, and then breaking through it, and also the support, which played back all the way back here from the previous bull run. 3 times, and all throughout here we got supported by it before breaking out almost right at the apex. This triangle played out perfectly, and I just wanted to take a look at it and see for you guys to see how technical analysis sometimes can be absolutely perfect to the T, and this time it was with Chainlink. Now I want to jump right on over to the next thing I wanted to talk about today, and that was how the 50 EMA, the move 50 exponential moving average as it's called, has played a key part in Chainlink's bull runs over the course of its history, guys. As you can see, I have the red line, that is the 50 exponential moving average. That has supported us throughout the bull run each time for Chainlink. As you can see, its previous really high run up, we got supported by it the whole time with only one little fake out dip below it one time. And I have these kind of yellow orangish boxes kind of highlighted here that shows that each time we do drop below the 50 EMA, we can expect a lot of downside for Chainlink. And in the current atmosphere, the 50 EMA is coming up pretty fast, and we do not want to go below it if we don't want to see a huge correction. As you can see here, each time we drop below it, we get a huge move to the downside. We broke through here, we got a huge move to the downside. Here, huge move to the downside. Here, huge move to the downside. We got a few little fake outs here, but here, huge move to the downside. Here, we got about a 30% move to the downside. Here, bam, here, bam, here, bam. Each time we break through the 50 EMA, we see a huge correction for Chainlink. Now I see some confluence kind of playing out with Chainlink that we could see a retest of the previous all-time high. Right now the 50 EMA is sitting almost exactly where the old all-time highs were. We could come down and test this as support and also test the 50 EMA, which would be majorly bullish. We do that all the time in bull runs. If we look back here, if we look back in the old one, we tested it once. Pretty much, I mean, we stayed above it pretty much the entire time. We only really tested it once. So I see us staying above this 50 EMA as long as we're in the price discovery mode over the old all-time highs here, guys. We do not want to drop below this 50 EMA, which is currently sitting right at the old all-time highs. If we do, we could see a major downside move, which we have seen each time it goes below that level. We want to either confirm this as support or just how we've done here and here. We kind of stay very much over it, and we do not want to even go close to it if preferable, guys. So that's the second thing I kind of look at for Chainlink. Today's just going to be a quick update video for Chainlink. And the third thing I wanted to look at for Chainlink today, guys, is this chart. Now this blue kind of pattern here is a fractal of the previous Chainlink kind of consolidation before it absolutely took off. This is where it absolutely took off last time. As you can see, it pretty much played out exactly like I said it did in my videos a couple weeks ago. I looked at this fractal. It played out exactly like I said. We had this all-time high resistance here. We hit it twice, consolidated right under it, and popped off. Same thing here, guys. We had this all-time high resistance here. We hit it twice, and then we consolidated under it, and we're absolutely popping off and making new all-time highs. As you can see, you know what happened in the last one. So we can only hope that the exact same thing is going to happen for Chainlink this time around. That's what I'm banking on. I have a huge position in Chainlink. This is not financial advice. Chainlink is in price discovery mode. So in reality, the best time to dollars cost average would have been somewhere down here before it actually broke this all-time high. We could see a huge correction back down to that 50 EMA, like I said. So be careful if you're buying right now. It's a lot of FOMO in the market, especially for Chainlink and a lot of these altcoins. So be careful buying right now. We could see a lot of these profits that are being made in the altcoins go back into Bitcoin. So just be careful about where you're buying these altcoins. Maybe wait for a little bit of a pullback. Chainlink could be the exception because it has already broken its all-time high and it's already in price discovery. So if Bitcoin ends up breaking that $10,000 mark, Chainlink can absolutely moon, and it's definitely going to be something you want a little bit of exposure in. So just keep in mind, if you are going to dollar cost average into Chainlink right now, you could see a little bit of a pullback. So do not be afraid to see 40-50% pullbacks, which is totally normal in a bull market for these cryptocurrencies. These things are highly volatile, and you really can't get afraid of pullbacks with these altcoins. Now that's the 3 things I wanted to look at for Chainlink today. If you guys enjoyed the video today, smack that subscribe button down below. I came out with daily crypto videos every single day, and I have kind of started to make my videos a little bit shorter, as you guys can tell. That's what the YouTube algorithm is kind of liking lately. So let me know if you guys like the shorter formats, the 6-7 minutes, or if you guys like the little bit longer formats, the 11-12 minutes. With the shorter formats, I'm just kind of getting to my points a little bit quicker, kind of pointing out the main things that I'm seeing for each coin, rather than kind of blabbling on and just making my videos longer just because. Now I'm going to go outside, kind of enjoy the day. I hope you guys do the same. Don't stare at the charts all day. Get outside, enjoy life, get to the gym, go on a walk, go on a date, do something. I know there's a lot of things going on in the world right now, but we have to make sure that we stay human and we, get outside and don't stare at screens all day. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Peace.